Okay, this is Mr. Oracle 7. Okay, so the purpose of this video is just to try to get a little bit of understanding about Forex. I recently got involved in Forex not too long ago, a couple of months ago actually, and it was because a friend of mine that I knew of for a long time. He was a guy that was a trader. He was actually used to load trailers, and he wasn't a trader, but he used to load trailers, and he kept telling me about trading and learning how to trade in the markets. And I didn't really take him seriously. I was busy having fun doing things that I like to do, and I was making some decent money, so it really didn't catch my attention too much. And after I saw him take $50 and turn $50 into, I think he turned it into $6,000 after 8 months. It got my attention, but it was still $8,000, so it didn't super grab my attention. But he kept on, and then basically he ended up letting his wife, because he has 3 kids and a wife, and he ended up letting his wife quit her job to go home and look out for the 3 kids. So I thought that was pretty cool. So now I saw some change happening in his life. And so I thought to myself, well, if he's getting some activity and some changes happening, I thought I might have paid a little bit closer attention to it. Well, shortly thereafter, I saw him take another leap, which was he was trading close to about $6,000 a month. Now, this is a guy that 2.5 years prior had no trading experience and was working loading trucks, and so got my attention. And so I just got into the trading world recently, and so a lot of what I'm going to be doing here is sharing with you some of my experiences and things that I find to be interesting, because everybody's journey is going to be different. But I think that if we can do it together, then I think we'll have some fun with it. And so I got involved in trading, and I've been having a lot of fun with it, learning lots of things about it, and I want to share some of those things with you. Now, the benefit, after being involved for a couple of months now, I've had a couple of days at $1,000, but I'm still working on getting more and more consistency. And with the system that I'm working with here, I get to learn new things about trading every single day. So I am going to do what I can do here with some videos so we can get a little bit of understanding for what trading is. So let's look at what is trading. And the kind of trading I'm talking about specifically is Forex. Let's go to good old Google and see what Google has to say. Foreign exchange market. Okay, let's pick this one. These are courses being sold, and because it's ads. And this is part of the reason why we're doing this as well, because there are so many bits of information out there that trying to learn how to trade from jump can be really complex. So I'm going to go through some of that with you as well, right? And at any time, if you are interested in learning about how I'm learning to trade in the school I'm a part of, let me know. Send a message in the video. So I'm going to click on this real quick and see what is Forex trading. All right, so let's talk about Forex trading. Forex, also known as a foreign exchange or FX currency trading. Make it a little bigger. FX currency trading, or decentralized global market where all world currencies trade. The Forex market is the largest, most liquid market in the world, with the average daily trading volume exceeding $5 trillion. So that means that there's over $5 trillion being traded every single day. So the question was, how do we get involved in this? Because that's a lot of money moving around. All the world's combined stock markets don't even come close to this. But what does it mean to you or to me? Take a close look at Forex trading, and you might find some exciting trading opportunities unavailable any other investment. Forex transactions, it's all an exchange. Okay, so let's click on this and see what it says. There you go. I guess it's going to say something soon.
Forex refers to the foreign exchange markets and the buying and selling of currencies. Every day, an average of more than $3 trillion in transactions takes place in the Forex market. Each of these transactions plays a vital role in establishing a currency pair's exchange rate. When a traveler visits a new country, or when an international business pays its foreign employees, they each convert their local currency into foreign currency. Over time, these transactions cause a shift in the exchange rate. When money flows into a currency, it strengthens. And when money flows out of a currency, it weakens. These shifts in value are what gives life to the Forex market. Forex traders attempt to predict the direction of an exchange rate just like stock traders try to predict the direction of a company's stock price. Forex traders buy a currency pair when they think the exchange rate will increase, and sell a currency pair when they think the exchange rate will decrease. And as a global market, they can do this 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. FXCM provides traders with cutting-edge trading platforms, advanced charting packages, and many other vital trading resources.
All right, so we got an idea what trading is or what Forex markets are, right? And the reason why I'm gonna make some of these videos is because looking at learning how to trade without having any specific direction about trading can get real complicated because there's a lot of stuff out there. I come from a little bit different background. I come from network marketing. I come from actually kind of spiritual background. I do a lot of spiritual stuff and readings and stuff like that. People and to name Oracle and Seven. And getting involved in trading, I started to realize that trading itself was very, very spiritual in that you get to learn lots and lots and lots and lots about yourself while you are learning how to trade, right? And a lot of that has to do with the nature of trading itself. The nature of trading is very much like life, in the fact that just like trading, life goes up when it goes down, like the Forex markets that we just looked at that video go up and they go down, right? And so get to learn a lot about yourself, whether you're patient, impatient, whether you can be disciplined or not. And this is part of what I'm learning about as well on this journey. So the purpose of these videos are going to be to help you learn what I'm learning at the same time I'm learning it, because I've seen a lot of progress in the last couple of months, and having some mentorship and guidance has helped me a lot to be able to make some success. And I know 3, 4, 5 months from now, then I'll have a lot more going. So I'm more interested in showing you ideas about what I'm learning and what I'm seeing, and where you can find all the information and get connected so that you can also have some success with trading as well. So I'm going to take another little quick video here about what Forex itself is.
It is the place where you can exchange currencies from all around the world. Mel Academy. And this, what is Forex? Forex, or FX, is short for foreign exchange. It is the place where you can exchange currencies from all around the world. Many countries are backed by their own banks, thus creating their own economy and currency. When traveling to these other countries, you can participate in the foreign exchange market manually by exchanging your local currency for theirs. As the decades passed and the discovery of the internet came along, Forex found its way online, where traders from all around the world began to trade currencies digitally to turn over profits from the comfort of their home. The foreign exchange market is the largest and most liquid market in the entire world, trading over $5 trillion a day, far trumping the New York Stock Exchange at $22 billion a day, the Tokyo Stock Exchange,
by the way, they said Trump,
at $18 billion a day, and the London Stock Exchange at $7 billion a day combined. To put quite,
and they said 7, liking it more and more.
Simply, the FX market is where all the money in the world is being exchanged in real time through currencies. And this market attracts many investor mindset individuals who see the opportunity to create a career through trading within the exchange. The FX market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, meaning you get the ability to trade and make money 24/5 with no limits. The market opens Sunday, 6 a.m. Sydney time, and ends Friday, 5 p.m. New York time. Because the market is easily influenced by geopolitical factors, it causes a lot of volatility in the market, creating plenty of trading opportunities we can capitalize on.
Okay, good. So this is another perfect reason why.
Through the continued education of.
There we go. I'm trying to get the screen to close out. All right. Okay. So that's another good reason why I looked into trading, like trading, and it is because, to me, is one of the best things we can do at this point, at a time when there's a lot of uncertainty in the world and we don't know what's going to happen next. This is the only place that we're sure that is going to be around for a while. Trading currencies, moving currencies around, which means people buying and selling stuff without actually having to be physically involved in it, right? Plus, for me, the spiritual aspect of this is that I know that if I'm learning it and I could see myself making, a couple $100 a day or whatever the case is in trading after 5 months, then I know that if I don't have to be a guru, but I know that if there's people that can learn how to make a couple $100 a day, or in the trading world, be able to catch a couple pips a day, which we'll talk about that in the subsequent video, that it can make a big difference. And we can raise the vibration of people around us by just helping them to learn how to tap into the foreign exchange market and make a couple dollars extra a day. Now, what I'm actually tapping you into, I'm tapping you into a larger sphere of people who do trading professionally. Some of the people that I'm working with are 7, 8-figure, and 9-figure traders. And so I just wanted to see if it was going to work for me first in terms of trading before I started to let people know that there is a way that you can literally, there's a skill set that you can learn. It may take you 6, 7 months or whatever, but there's a skill set that you can learn. And depending on your aptitude, it may take longer or less time, but there's a skill set that you can learn, regardless if the markets go up or down, real estate goes up or down, or anything goes up or down, that you could still be able to, from a cell phone and a laptop, be able to provide for your family. And although I entered this in the position where I wasn't struggling like some other people, I see how struggling people can take this skill set and learn how to take care of themselves and their family. So with that, that is my first video for today. I'm gonna make some more videos on trading and what Forex is and all those kinds of things. And also, I'm going to post this on my YouTube and Facebook. I'm getting used to a lot of this social media stuff and the like, but like trading, you have to be able to enter trades. In other words, you got to do what you might not be comfortable doing in the beginning. So as the videos go along, you'll see more of me and more things once I figure out the other things. But right now, the most important thing is that you and I learn how to do this together, and it makes sense, or in this case, it makes dollars and better life for everyone involved. All right, so thank you, and that is it. Talk to you soon, and peace.